Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a snowman from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute snowman, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another one about right here. Just enough room for a little carrot nose. Okay, so I have two circles in. Let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, let's go above each eye and we're going to draw a soft curve. And then let's draw a little nose, carrot nose, right in between. So right in the center, I'm going to go ahead about right here and draw a curve. And then I'm going to go ahead, come back to this part where we started, come down, little curve down, round off this little tip right here. And then we're going to go ahead and connect it. Round, small little carrot. There. And then you can come in here if you like towards the tip area and just draw lightly two curves. And let's give our snowman a smile. So right underneath the carrot nose here, let's draw a sweet little smile and cap it off. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the usual squishmallow shape for the head. So I'm going to come to the bottom of the eye just to give myself a point to start, say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and go up at a slight tilt. And same thing over here. So about right here. And go up. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and round it off. And this being my center, so say about right here, I'll give myself a point. So I know that's the highest point I need to go. And then I'll go ahead and round it off and come right back down to here. So I'm only doing that because I'm drawing pretty big. If you're not drawing that big, you can just go ahead and draw one big curve all the way across. Okay, so now that we have that and it's pretty level, I'm going to bring this down a bit more. So right here, and we're pretty even. So we're past the mouth. We want to bring that past the mouth, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it right across. And as we come to about right here, I'm going to stop, give it a tiny hump, and go right back. So this little hump is for the scarf tail that comes out. And right here, I'm going to pop out my scarf. And same thing here. Okay, so before we finish that, let's come back up and draw some earmuffs for this snowman to make him extra warm. So about right here, I can make them nice and big. I'm just going to go ahead and pop out, big curve, bring it right back in. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to drag this point across, approximate. Nice and big, bring it in, just like the other side. And let's come up here, and we're going to follow our head, the curve on the head, and we're going to go up to draw the band that connects the earmuffs, and come right back down. There, now he's wearing some cozy earmuffs, right? Okay, so then let's go ahead and from here, now that we have this point in, I'm going to pop it out a tiny bit again and continue my snowman shape. So about right here, go ahead and finish our snowman shape. And the reason I'm doing this first is so that I kind of know how long to bring my scarf down. So go ahead and round it off and connect it towards the bottom. And now we can go ahead and draw this part. So let's come right here, give a slight curve, and I'll bring it all the way down to about right here. Follow that curve you made and connect. And let's draw some of the tassels at the end. And I'm giving it a little curve, so just give it some movement so it's not so stiff. And one more. There. And then we can come right back to this little notch right here and just follow your top curve to finish the scarf. Going overlap and right back. Okay, so then now let's come right in the center, and I'm going to draw some circles for the buttons. So right in the center, draw one and another one, just two. You can put as many as you want, of course. Okay, so that is pretty much it. And then now let's decorate our scarf. So on this one, let's go across. So I'm just going to draw some curves that go across. I've been drawing so many scarves lately. Trying to change up the pattern here. So maybe this one and this one right there. And then this part right here. Oh, before I finish, let's go ahead and draw a heart, of course. So right here, just give myself 2 points. It's easier for me to find my center to draw my heart. And then let's come back here and draw the same pattern going across for our scarf. And let's see. Now to spruce it up, I know this is a Squishmallow and they usually don't have these arms, but I thought it would be perfect if we did add some. So let's come right here, right underneath this scarf. And I'm going to add some hands right here. So whatever you like. And I'll thicken it up just to make it look like a branch. Give it some of these angles. Thicken it up. There. So same thing here. However you like it. No right or wrong way. So just go ahead and thicken it up. There. See how you, by adding this tiny little notch right here, it just makes it look more like a branch, right? Little notch. Okay, and then let's see, let's put him in a little setting. So let's see about right here. Let's make it extra festive. Put our snowman here and some snow outside. And let's see, what else can we add? Maybe some snow falling. So if you want to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly draw some circles on our falling on our snowman here, if you like. And of course you can go crazy and draw a whole bunch, but hopefully you get the idea. And let's see. If you like, you can even draw some here on to make it look like the snow is actually falling on him, but I'll leave it like this. So just to make him a lot cleaner. And that is pretty much it for this snowman inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and it inspires you to draw it for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.